Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some solar wall lights, and I'm going to show you guys what these are here. And I'm in my apartment here, but we're going to go ahead and hook them up here anyways and show you guys what they look like and all. And so this is what they are here, and they look like this. And so it kind of goes on there as the solar panel, so it'll kind of connect up on that. And then it'll light underneath it. It'll light it up facing down. And it looks like you got a whole bunch of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like we're going to have 8 of those. So I'm going to set them all up. I'm not going to use the screws because I'm not hooking them up to my fence. I'm going to hook them up to my little patio. But I am going to double-sided tape them on around, and we're going to check it out and see what it looks like here at night shortly. So very cool. Okay, so I've got these lights here. You can kind of see they're lighting up. It works. They're changing colors. Sorry, I've got airplanes coming. You can kind of see on the ground here, it makes it red. Now it's changing the colors. So it's kind of cool the way it lights it up. I probably won't leave it on here because I'm sure my apartment place wouldn't appreciate it, but you get the idea. It looks really nice.